Hello, my name is Kevin Lang and I'm a student at Florida State University in the College of Information. I'll be graduating December with my bachelor's in Information Technology. Welcome to my online tutorial on the remote desktop feature of Microsoft XP. You may ask what remote desktop is and what it can be used for. Well, remote desktop is a tool that allows you to connect to your home or office computer from virtually any computer via the internet. This means that if you need an important file from your home computer and you're currently at work, then you can use this tool to access your home computer from work over the internet and extract the files, programs, or even network resources that you may need without ever leaving the office. Sounds like a good tool, right? Well, this particular application is relatively simple to use. There are three things that you need to make sure in order before we begin. First, you will need to make sure that the computer that contains the files and programs that you need are on a computer that has the proper XP components installed. This computer is known as the host. Second, you will need to make sure that the remote computer that you are working from has Windows 95 or later and has the remote desktop connection client software installed. This computer is known as the client. Third, both of the computers must be connected to the internet and preferably on a high-speed internet connection. Now we will begin the process of setting up your computer settings to allow for your remote desktop to be accessed. First you will click on Start, then you will go to your control panel. Once here you should be able to find the Performance and Maintenance category on the bottom left. You will select this. Once inside Performance and Maintenance, you will click on the icon that says System. This will bring you to your System Properties page and allow you to make your proper changes. Select the Remote tab, and then check the box that states Allow users to connect remotely to this computer, and then click OK. Once that is done, you can then close out the Systems Property page. You will need to leave open the control panel for the next step. Make sure you're on the main control panel window. You can do this by clicking the back button until you're on the page that you started on. Now we will make sure that your Windows firewall is set up to allow for exceptions. Select the Security Center icon. Once your Security Center is open, you will select the Windows Firewall option. Inside the pop-up window, you will then need to make sure that the Do Not Allow Exceptions box is not checked. Next, you will select the Exceptions tab at the top and verify that the Remote Desktop box is checked. If so, then you will click on OK and then close this window. All you need now is the name of the host computer, and to find this, you'll go back to the main control panel window and select Performance and Maintenance. Inside Performance and Maintenance, you will select System. In the Systems Properties window, you will select Computer Name. Make sure to write down the entire computer name as it is shown and then click OK. You can now close this window and the host should now be ready to operate. The next step of the process involves connecting your remote computer to the host computer. On your home computer or client, click Start and then go to All Programs. Inside All Programs, select Accessories. In Accessories, you will go to Communications and then click on Remote Desktop Connection. In the computer box, you will need to type down the name of the host computer in which you had previously written down. Select Connect. The Logon to Windows window should appear and you should then be able to type in your username and password. Click OK. Once you have gained access to the host, you will then be able to see all of your settings, files, and programs. To disconnect the remote desktop, simply click Start and then click Log Off. I hope this tutorial was helpful. This has saved me a few times in the past and I'm sure it will do the same for you. Thank you again for choosing this tutorial. If you have any further questions, please contact me at lang4fsu.com or feel free to check out my website. Thank you and have a nice day.